Monday! To start this week, let's stretch a little bit. So, stand up. Now breathe in with me and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And hug yourself. And give you kisses. Once we're ready to start, tell with me, what do you do this weekend? Mine was really good. I enjoyed it a lot because I rest and I sleep a lot. I became Cinderella because I cleaned my house, I cleaned my room, my closet, my kitchen. And also I became chef because I cooked for my family a lot. Also, I play games with my family and I play with my dogs. Tell me, what are you doing this weekend and how was it? Tell me. Also, how do you feel today? Today I feel so excited because it's Monday and I'm going to start my week with you and making this incredible activity. So, the activity for today is about jungle animals. What is jungle animals? Let's see.
Smile and learn. Hello friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion! I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant! Elephant! The elephant is huge! Elephant! Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe! Giraffe! That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe! Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey! Monkey! Monkeys are so funny! Monkey! Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile! Crocodile! Look at those teeth! Crocodile! There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla! Gorilla! Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla! Let's keep searching for animals. Over here! A zebra! Zebra! Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra! Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger! Tiger! Tigers are fierce! Tiger! What else have we got here? A rhinoceros! Rhinoceros! My, look at that horn! Rhinoceros!
Interesting, right? Now you know some of the jungle animals. After we watch this little video about jungle animals, the next activity for us to make is watch the movie Madagascar that is on Netflix. Okay, while you are watching this activity, put attention on the characters of the movie, on the lion, the zebra, the hippo, etc. After you watch this movie, pick or choose one of your favorite character. And then in a paper sheet, color and draw this character that was your favorite. This is my favorite character, King Julian. He's the one that says, quiero mover el pote, quiero mover el pote. I like to move it. I like to move it. He's King Julian. He likes to sing and dance a lot, and he's kind of always happy. So that's why he is my favorite character. And I draw it and I color it in a paper sheet, because this is what we are going to do. First, we're going to need scissors and more paper. We're going to make a hat, and I'll show you how. Ta-da! This is my King Julian's hat. Actually, King Julian in real life, they are lemurs. Lemurs. They live in Madagascar, just as the movie, and they eat leaves, flowers, insects, and etc. So, make your hat, and after you make your hat, find out more about your animal, your favorite character of the movie, but in real life. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. I hope you like this activity, and I miss you. I send you a virtual hug.